Hello everyone and welcome to my little channel. I am Sarah B and I'm opening a ThredUp Goody Box today. I love Goody Boxes. So ThredUp is a company, I think it's the internet's largest thrift store. I could be wrong about that, but I'm pretty sure that that's how they brand themselves. They have great opportunities for you to turn your unworn items in your closet into cash by they'll send you a clean out bag, you fill it up, send it back, they will take what they can use and give you credit for it, which you can either cash out or just turn right around and buy something from the site. This is my third Goody Box, I think, and I love them. It's $10 as a deposit. Shipping is free. Whatever you decide to keep, that $10 goes towards your total purchase price. Shipping's free both ways. And you get 10 pieces. Did I mention that? 10 pieces, which is amazing. I've always had great luck getting really good brands and getting a lot of things that are still new with tags, even though it is a used clothing site. Sometimes things get funny because sizing is different from company to company, or if it has been worn and washed, there's shrinkage and stuff involved. But for $10, I can totally forgive that. What else did I want to say? I don't know. I'm just really excited. I haven't gotten one of these in a while. They just started it's not a subscription in that they don't automatically send them to you. You have to go on and request them. However, they just did start a subscription, which is every other month. And they will let you know when they're about to bill you the $10 and all of the rest. I love the polka dots. Makes me so happy. Here is my packing slip, which tells me the estimated retail price of the item and then how much they are charging for it. And it looks like the most expensive thing in here is $36, but generally everything is closer to $25. You have 7 days to try things on and then return them. They don't give you a bag or anything. I've always just sealed it back up in the box and set the box back, and it's not a big deal. What did it send me? This is, ta-da, my packing slip, a little note that says, hey, thanks for being a part of Goody Boxes, because this is a fairly new program, and information about ThredUp itself. I've gotten all these little booklets in all of my boxes. I love ThredUp because it's sustainable. It's one of the, there's a tremendous environmental impact from producing clothing. That there just is. And so by reusing and recycling clothing, you help lessen that impact. It also helps tremendously with the wallet. So I'm a big fan. And I'm really excited to dig in. It's always a huge bundle, so I can't lift it up because there's so much in here. So we'll just take it from piece by piece at a time. Oh my goodness. The dress. The first piece is from Torrid. New with tags on. Oh my gosh. That's actually really beautiful. I don't know if you can see. It is ankle length. This gorgeous blush color, which I never thought I could pull off until a friend of mine suggested that I could. Do you think I can? This is amazing. How much is this? The tags are on it, so if it was sold at retail, it was $75. They're asking $30 for it, new with tags. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, we'll see if it fits. Okay. Second piece. This is linen. Also new with tags. Talbots retailed for $109. and they are asking $36. So this is the most expensive item in the box. But that's totally me. Oh man. Alright. Third piece is from Ann Taylor Loft. Also new with tags, retailed for $45. It's like the really fluttery sleeves. Retailed $45. They're asking $20. Again, new with tags. New with tags! Which is crazy for me to think about. This is new with tags from Old Navy. Oh, no, it's not. The tag is a ThredUp tag. It is an item from Old Navy. It's just like a simple black top, stretchy sleeves, and gold buttons. I'm not a fan of the gold. But we'll see. We'll try it on. Oh, that's the other thing I wanted to mention, what I had forgotten before. You can opt in for different types of boxes. They will curate specifically. They have like dresses and like spring styles. They have, this is really dark, isn't it? I'm sorry, guys. Hello. The box that I picked was a workwear box. So all of these things would presumably be able to be worn to work. I'm not really sure about this one. Coldwater Creek, which is fine. But it's kind of like a not leopard skin, snake skin? Which I don't really do. That might be too much for me. But Coldwater Creek retails for about $100 and they're asking $30 for it. But again, like maxi length, which is what I asked for, so that's great. Here is another skirt with embroidery, new with tags, retail for $95, and they're asking $24. If you can see. I don't know if I'm holding it up high enough for you guys. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. This is also new with tags. My gosh. Talbot's. $135 was the original price for this. My gosh. Marked down. The person who bought it for $67. And then they're asking $36 for it. It's kind of weird. It's like crepe almost. It's like a very textured fabric. Interesting. And I can't tell, and of course the light in here is horrid right now, but I can't tell if it's black or navy blue. What's that? It's one of the things with these boxes is they go on forever. Ooh, Lane Bryant. This might be nice for like fall, winter. It's a dress. There's like no other info in here about it. As far as like what it's, the fabric and the construction. It's always down at the bottom. Polyester cotton. It's like it's an autumn dress. That would be a nice dress to wear when I go teach this fall, if it fits. This is another dress. Flirty pink is what it's called. That's really funny. It's like a jersey cotton maxi dress. It's really long, but I like really long, so that works for me. And the last thing in the box, these boxes go on forever, is new with tags from Vince Camuto. I don't know who this dude is, but his stuff is expensive. The tags from Nordstrom Person paid $80 for it if they bought it full price. It feels like it's silk. It's probably silk, which is not something I typically go to on account of it being me and having small children around. Oh, no, polyester. I'm not sure I love the color on me. Think about if I was going to get a pink thing. Well, I can't say anything yet because I haven't tried anything on yet. We don't even know what fits. So let's do that, and we'll go from there. Outfit number 1. This top is not for me. It's lovely. It's not for me. We have the pulling problem at the top, and then it's just not me. Sorry, Vince Camuto. I probably am saying the name like completely wrong too, and I love that. In the deepest, darkest part of my heart. This is the Talbot skirt, the most expensive item in the box at $36. I don't know if I love that either. It fits like at my natural waist instead of like on the hips, which is where I would probably rather have it be. But I'm gonna keep it on to try on some other tops, and we'll see if maybe like my mood brightens towards it. Yeah, not sure. The Ann Taylor Loft top. I have to specify it's loft, and not just Ann Taylor. And the Coldwater Creek bottom. I wasn't particularly in love with the skirt when I took it out of the box, to be fair. And nothing has changed from that standpoint. It's fine. It fits fine. I just don't see myself like being excited to wear it. So this top, however, is a lovely wardrobe staple that I think I will love for a very long time. As happens with me, it's like snug in the hips, but it fits the bust. So I can't be upset about it being snug in the hips if I can breathe in it. So I think it's going to stay. I think this is a total win. This top, at least. Skirt, we will send back so someone else can fall in love with it. The Old Navy top is too small. As kind of I had feared it would be. The skirt is delightful, though it has no pockets. But I think, you can't quite see, I love things that are at or below the knee. This would be like super professional for me to wear to work and to conferences and that kind of stuff. And I think it's a steal. So I think that's staying. I think that paired with the white top would be a lovely springy affair with a very colorful scarf or something. That make sense? I hope so. It fits beautifully. It's really comfortable. It's not at all the pattern I would wear ever. Ever. I can't decide if it's more like, I don't know. I think it's like snakeskin. Or it's trying to be. I don't know. I wouldn't wear it. I wouldn't grab it out of my closet at any point and be like, yes, today's the day. So, sorry, Coldwater Creek. I'm sending you back. So this is the, on the packing stuff they call it brand unspecified, but I think it's called Pink Floss. I didn't think to look before I put it on. It is super comfortable. It goes down to my ankles. Does not have pockets, but I feel like it's not something I would feel comfortable teaching in. But I might keep it for like date night. That would be cool. Now, it's really comfy. I really enjoy it. And I should really take note when I take it off who the maker is so I can see what else they make, because this is really, really nice. And sometimes it's all about the makers and who they are designing for and what bodies they are designing for. This Lane Bryant dress is unbelievable. It is so comfy, and I normally hate crew necks. Just generally, I don't wear them. I don't feel comfortable in them. It falls just above my knee, like just slightly, but enough that like it breaks my rule. But I don't even care. This dress is amazing as far as like professional workwear. This will be so great for me for the autumn and maybe even the spring. Like there was months when like you just are sick and tired of wearing pants all the time. You want to get back into like flowing things. Amazing. And how much is this Lane Bryant dress? They estimated retail at $71 and they're charging $20 for it. $20 for this. It's like brand new. It's unbelievable. I'm so excited. What a find. Sometimes it's all about the designers and the bodies they're designing for. This Torrid dress, oh man, so good. It fits so well. It makes me feel so comfortable, even in this color that I swear to you, I don't own anything else in this color. I never voluntarily would wear it, but I am keeping this dress just because of the fit and how it makes me feel. How cool is that? I would have never opted to try this on. Never ever. And here we are. So now I have to find some place to wear this because it's a little bit more formal than like a day at teaching at my local college. But yeah, somebody in my family's got to get married or something. Show up in this. How lovely. I'm so delighted. Yay! Delighted. I like these boxes, whether it's the Goody Boxes or Stitch Fix or Fashion, and even ones that I've had less success with, just generally, because they give me an opportunity to try things that I am completely uncomfortable with trying to begin with. Like pink dresses, crew neck skirt dresses that I would not otherwise wear. So, however, I am still on a budget. So I'm deciding to keep 3 items of the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 of the 10, which I think is a decent ratio. A bit. And I'm going to end up spending about $70. The Lane Bryant dress is $20 used. Originally $70 now. The Torrid dress was $75 new. New with tags that I'm buying for $30. And the Ann Taylor Loft, I have to specify Loft, top, which is also new with tags, was originally $45, and then they're selling it for $20. Again, new with tags. A top that fits me. So that comes out to $70. I already spent $10 on the box as like my deposit, so that brings it to $60. And I have a $10 credit from a wonderful viewer who used my referral link in the description below from a previous video and got herself $10 as well as gifted me $10 for the referral. So thank you, Jennifer, for that wonderful gift. So 2 dresses and a top are going to be $50 for me. That's amazing. I got a top in a different box that I was totally in love with and absolutely needed to have in my closet and do not regret at all, but spend $65 on it. So that I can get all of this for $50 and clothes that I like feel really good in and feel really good about, while also helping reduce the environmental impact of fashion. Makes me feel really good. Thank you as always for joining and participating and commenting on these wacky videos I make. If you want to be awesome like Jennifer and try out your own Goody Box, like I said, it's only $10. If you use my referral link, you will get $10 then to spend towards whatever you decide to keep. Yeah, use my referral link in the description below. Take care of yourselves, be well, and until next time, bye.